So I've just finished my geology class, and it was an awesome trip to learn about the Earth, about the atmosphere, the oceans. It was really amazing uh, to know a lot of processes that the Earth has that we don't realize that exist and are very powerful and epic. So I'm gonna briefly explain to you all these processes that I've learned in this physical science class. Sí, más que eso.
We started by looking at Earth from space, mastering the geographic grid system of latitude and longitude, and seeing how planetary rotation dictates our 24 time zones. But here's the catch. It is mathematically impossible to flatten a three-dimensional sphere onto a two-dimensional map without distorting either its shape, area, distance, or direction. To solve real-world problems, we use GIS, which means Geographic Information Systems, by stacking digital layers of geographic data on top of each other. GIS becomes a crucial tool for emergency management, allowing us to track hazards and save lives in real time. Then we dove deep beneath the crust to look at tectonic plate boundaries. Whether plates are colliding at convergent zones, pulling apart at divergent reaches, or grinding past each other at transformed faults. They are the driving engine behind violent volcanoes and massive earthquakes. But the landscape isn't just built up, it's constantly being recycled by the rock cycle. We learned how mechanical and chemical weathering breaks solid rock down. Gravity drives mass wasting events like sudden landslides, and forces like water and wind erode and transport that sediment across the globe. Next up was fluid dynamics, water and air. We tracked fluvial processes, seeing how rivers act as massive conveyor belts, carving out the landscape. We explored ocean depths, coastal environments, and the deep density-driven currents that act as the planet's thermostat. That oceanic heat ties directly into the atmosphere. We studied global atmospheric circulation cells, climate controls, and how colliding air masses create weather fronts that trigger everything from local storms to severe destructive weather. Ultimately, this class showed me that natural disasters aren't just isolated events, they are systemic. Earth science impacts global countries, economies, and our daily survival. Understanding how these systems interact isn't just for a grade, it's the foundation of true Earth stewardship and learning how to protect the only planet we have.
So basically, at the end of this class, we went to the Great Salt Lake Park. I'm not saying that the Great Salt Lake is awful. I think it's actually a very beautiful place, a lot of history, and it's not common to find a lake that's that salty, like 3 times more than the ocean, you know? What I'm saying that I wasn't expecting millions and millions of insects and flies that were chasing us. I remember my legs, they were entire covered by these insects. The smell wasn't the best, you know, that's obvious when you have like a lot of amount of salt, especially in the water, like it doesn't smell like flowers, you know. I'm very grateful for having the opportunity to have Sister Mendenhall, that is a really loving and caring person. She helped me a lot to understand a lot of things that I didn't know. I love this class. I love the materials, the topics. It was really cool, and I could really feel that Sister Mendenhall really loved. She really loves what she does. She really loves the earth and every God's creation. So I'm really grateful that I had her as my teacher. So thank you so much, Sister Mendenhall, for all the things that you taught us. Thanks so much.